Okay, let's get started. Okay, today we're going to learn about shapes, and we're going to learn about the different parts of shapes, like 2D shapes. Okay, there are three different parts on a 2D shape. There is the sides, the vertices, I'm terrible at writing, and the angles. Angles. That's a G, by the way. I know. Now, what are all these? The sides on a shape are lines that end. For example, if I were to draw a triangle would have three sides, 1, 2, 3, because it has three of these lines that go in different directions like this. Voop, voop, voop. Same thing with a square, 1, and then I draw another line that goes in another direction. 2, another one that goes in another direction. And then 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what a side is. Vertices are the corners of the shape. That's where two of the lines meet. This is one vertice. This is one vertice. This is one vertice. They're the corners of a shape. So there are three vertices in the triangle. See? This is 1, 2, 3. In the square, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and angles is the space between the two lines. Angles is how much space like this is in between the two lines. Not space, how far apart these two lines are. How is the measure in degrees, circular degrees, these two lines are. It's basically the measure of how much of a circle can you put in this. If you were to get a circle and you were to put it in there, how much of that circle can fit in here? See this? This sort of looks like a circle. Boom, boom. It's how much of that circle can fit between these two lines. You can also do that over on the outside, right here. See? You could also have angles on the outside of this shape. Boom, boom. You can have angles on the outside and the inside of a shape, but it's how much of a circle can fit between two lines, two sides. And these are the three things that make shapes shapes. We have the sides, which are the lines that go in different directions. We have the vertices, which are the corners, which are where the lines meet, which are where the sides meet. And we have the angles, which is how much of a circle can fit between two sides. Right here, and they can go on the inside of the shape and on the outside of the shape. And this is what determines what shapes are. Whether they're a triangle, whether they have three sides, three vertices, whether they're square, whether they have four sides and four vertices. That's how it depends. Or a rectangle, anything. So yeah, sides, vertices, and angles. And stay in school. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Triangle, 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 triangle.